Time to check the markets with Scott Crothers and Stephen Locos. Good morning, Scott Crothers.
Good morning, McGraw.
All right, how did we finish up yesterday?
Yesterday, the Dow was down 2 points, closed at 25,321, and another light day of trading. Financials sold off while technology and utilities were higher. RH jumped 30% on their outstanding earnings, but it was a slow day as investors wait for the final 3 days of the week when we hear from the three central banks. And the yield on the 10-year U.S. Treasury was flat at 2.96%.
All right, we'll get to AT&T in a second, but first, some news on the Consumer Price Index. What is that?
Right, the Consumer Price Index, or CPI, rose 2.8% in May. That's the fastest increase in 6 years. A lot of the increase was from higher gasoline prices. We are seeing more evidence that the economy is strong, and the Fed is justified in raising rates. Hopefully, if things go right, we can increase our growth without runaway inflation.
Yeah,
so that's a big thing to keep an eye on.
That's a tricky edge to walk, so we'll wait and see what happens there. The big news everyone's talking about today, Scott Crothers, is about 4 o'clock yesterday. The judge ruled that AT&T can buy Time Warner. What are you thinking?
Right, yeah, the federal judge approved AT&T's buyout of Time Warner with 0 conditions. This will give them the ownership of HBO, CNN, and Warner Brothers Studios. It also clears the way for more deals. In fact, we expect Comcast to make an offer for Fox assets. Disney already put in an offer to buy the Fox assets, but we expect Comcast to make a higher offer, maybe as early as today.
Wow. Yeah. All right. All of that. And then what about these 2-day meetings at the Fed? What are we going to find out?
Right. The 2-day meeting at the Fed concludes today at 1 p.m. Then we expect them to raise rates 0.25%. Their seventh increase since late 2015. So the rate will be in a range of 1.75 to 2%. We will also get the newest economic forecast on unemployment, inflation rate, and economic growth. Chairman Powell will have a press conference at 1:30. This will be his second press conference, but soon he might have conferences after every meeting. So there you go.
All right, good. All right, Scott, have yourself a good day. We'll talk to you tomorrow.